John, so show us what Gundam you've got for us this week. What did you pull off the shelf?
Today I will show you guys very new Gundams, which is like Zagan's Gundam.
Zagan's Gundams.
Yeah, from the Iron-Blooded Orphans.
Yep.
Yep. So before we unbox this, we just have a look first, right?
Yeah.
So this one is how Zagan look. Is it in this one?
Yeah, we can put it on the top one.
Yeah, it's easier.
Here you go. Let me get a focus for you.
Yep.
If I can. It's a bit dark, but yeah, a bit zoomed, but there we go.
Yeah, so if you look at this guy, right? This guy very bulky.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bulky.
Yeah, it's like he eating steroid every day. You think like compared to like all the Gundams in the same series, it's like, oh, why this guy so huge?
Huge.
Yeah, like look at his arm, like he's going to gyms every day. Yeah, so the unique thing about this one is this guy got two shields.
Two shields.
Yeah, the shields or the cutter, like I say the
the cutter.
The claw, it's like a crab one.
It's like a claw.
Yeah, it's like a claw. Like he can chop like the
enemies. Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Like is that common on?
No, it's not common. Like this is the only one in this universe have this.
That has the cutter.
Yeah, it's had it's not a cutter. Like have two arms.
Claw.
Like claw.
Like a crab.
Like a crab. This one. Yeah, very strong crab.
So he can chomp somebody's arm off.
Yeah, he can chomp anyone. He can grab enemies and then punch this guy.
Really?
Yeah, this guy doesn't have any weapon at all. He himself is a weapon.
Is he one of the favorites?
Yeah, he's a man Gundam recently. So that's why this guy just released last year.
Oh, just last year?
Just last year, just December.
Fantastic.
Yeah, we just got very new. This one's very new.
Because the Iron-Blooded Orphans, that's been around for a while, right?
Yeah, is this guy? No, it's two series and then.
Oh, two series in that.
Yeah, and then we have a games after that.
Yep.
So this guy's in the game after that.
He's in the game.
Yes, in the games.
Fantastic. Are you going to whip the top off and have a look inside?
No problem. Let's have a clear look inside. So
the color palette. Oh, it's very muted, isn't it? He's a baddie, isn't he? Is he a baddie?
He's baddies.
Hey.
He's a baddies in the games though.
Yeah.
It is. So for this one, we just take everything out first.
Yeah. And what are we looking at in that instructions?
Yeah, so we have 11 runners, which is a lot for the high
11.
Grade. Yeah.
11 sprues.
Yeah, 11. Yeah, we call it runners.
Runners.
Yeah. So 11 runners just for the one high grade Gundams.
Is that a lot?
It's a lot.
Okay.
Normally just 5. More just 5.
Really, 5?
Yeah, more than just 6 or 5, and then that's it.
Okay, so he's got lots of detail.
Yeah, so this guy a lot of details, a lot more ammos, and he's also news, like they provide news, the new frame in the frames compared to the old one.
Frame. Yep.
So literally this I use a whole new frame compared to all the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
does that make him more like posable? Is he?
Yeah. So this
and he doesn't fall apart, right?
Yeah, it doesn't fall apart.
Yeah.
So he can, the movement is more clearer, it's more extended compared to the guys. They also have the fix in the waist. So normally all the IBO's frames have a problem with the waist, but this guy doesn't.
Okay.
So this guy is like a huge upgrade to the rest.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes. So expect it from the new Gundam, I would say.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Is the instructions easy?
Instructions? Yeah, it's a very easy one. So
you say that, but Kawa used to say that to me, and I don't think they're easy at all.
Yeah, like compared to the high grade, it is
it is quite easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very easy. Like compared to
it reads like a comic book.
True, is it a comic book? Like the comic with the color book as
well.
Yeah. So this one is not that bad. Like it's like very manageable if you have a bit of skill. So I would recommend you guys to like build like 1 or 2 Gundam first before building this one.
How long would this take you to build, do you think?
I think it's like for an expert, it would just take like 1 day at most.
1 day?
Yeah, and then for the newbies like who already like touched Gundam, 2 days or 3 days are good enough.
Yep, fantastic.
Yeah.
And show me some. Is there any like features of this kit that you can see from the runners?
From the runner, we can see it's like you can see there's like we have a sticker here, right? The stickers.
Oh, you got stickers?
Yeah. So normally in the high grade, the sticker should be bigger because they need to like put some more color.
Yep, some more color into it.
But in this one, since we have a lot of runners already,
Yeah.
so the color distribution is clear on the runner, so you don't need to put any sticker in.
Okay.
So that's a huge upgrade.
Yeah.
Like for the barber
Because I've
toes,
heard a lot of people actually like complain about the stickers a bit.
it
Right?
is true. Like it's how like it's just like it's not like real color. It's just a sticker. It's fake. So, but in this one, it doesn't have any sticker at all. It's just for the eyes.
Yeah.
For the eyes, and then for some kind of decorations.
Like you said, it's going to get all the color and the textures from the various layers of parts, right?
Yes.
And because, like you said, it has 11 runners, it's going to have a lot of detail.
Yeah, so this one is like a huge upgrade compared to the old IBO series. So yeah, a lot of runners, great builds, new inner frames, and then no stickers.
No stickers, win-win.
Yeah, win-win.
I love it.
It
So what's on your bench at the moment?
Yeah.
Are you building anything at home?
I'm waiting for the PG unreleased new
big
game.
one?
Yeah, the big one.
Have you been saving?
I've been saving for that.
You know how much it's going to be, right?
Yeah, it's very a lot of. I'm saving for that, guys.
Because I was lucky enough to see this one at the toy fair. They had some Bandai sent some for the trade store there.
Oh yeah, really?
So they had one. They had the internal mechanic.
Oh yeah,
the structure. They had it built like that.
Yeah.
And they had it built fully finished.
Yeah. So like
it's huge. It's this big.
Yeah, it's a PG, right? It's a perfect grade. So like this one, it's like
massive.
Massive. So I'm looking forward to build this one really.
Fantastic, John. Well, thank you for bringing this in. You can come in and see John, talk to him all about Gundam.
Yep.
We're going to have some new stuff coming in. We've got another Gundam order coming next week. We should have a fresh restock.
It is.
Maybe even the PG one, right? Because the PG one's meant to be close. They said it was going to be close in February. So I don't know how long it can be close for, but yeah. So watch this space. If you're lucky enough to pre-order one, you'll definitely get yours sent out straight away. Otherwise, come in store and see us.
Yeah, come in store. I will gladly to help you guys to pick like your first Gundams or have a talk about Gundam as well.
Yeah, or make it maybe your 100th Gundam.
Yeah, 100th Gundam as well.